Hello, welcome to the medicine application developed by Plumsoft Hyderabad. Basically, this is meant for the aged community who will maintain their own personal medical history as much as possible. So, basically, this is kept, the concept is for aged people. So, obviously, you will see the fonts are big in size, and even the buttons are made bigger in size so that their fingers we can reach them properly. So here basically the person can create his personal details by providing the date of birth and little details, and then he has various options such as the personal details, the current page, the complaints what he has. There are already some test complaints are here. You can edit or delete the complaint, or you can add a new complaint. Then you have the medications which people are taking. Say we will delete this medication. The details are available, and you will notice across that as and when for every form there is an emergency SMS and emergency email. While I cannot demonstrate this in this browser based application, basically it uses the SMS and the email facility inside the browser of inside the smartphone. Then you have the medications, the medical reports which are being recorded by the person. And then you have the contact details. Here the contact details are very important because when you click the SMS or the email, a very short fast SMS and email will be sent to these people. So one has to record the contact details properly. Then we have the reports and appointments. You can have the appointments fixed up. Say for example a new one. However, the reports attachments are still in progress. The speciality of this is number one, it does not need internet connection at all. Entire technology is on local server storage, local machine storage, so you don't have to get connected to the internet. And as and when internet is connected, you can send an emergency mail, or the mail will be based on your application, and the SMS does not need any internet. You can see when mail is sent, the personal details, complaints, medications, the reports of various elements are sent as a mail. Especially the purpose is that the user, when he is in a panic situation, can send an SMS and an email immediately. He can also keep his physician details, email, etc. in that, so that a real purposeful meaning to this application can be derived. Thank you very much.